Do you want to learn to code? Do you want to learn how machine learning works? Well, this Kickstarter is for you. Hi, my name is John Burra, and I founded a company called Mammoth Interactive. We've sold over 900,000 courses worldwide. We need your help to get this Kickstarter out there, so pledge today. So in this bundle of courses, you're gonna learn everything about Python, data science, and machine learning. We're gonna show you everything from the complete basics all the way to advanced topics and interview questions. Because the one thing that you need to do for your career is learn how to code. Coding will always be in demand, and machine learning is the pinnacle of what computers can do. So even if you don't want to become a coder, you're going to understand the basics and the terminology to make you an amazing success at your next meeting. So one of the things that's really hard about machine learning is all the terminology. So we've devised a new way of delivering content. So this content is going to start off by explaining the concept so that pretty much anyone can understand. Then we're going to work with some code examples, and then we're going to build some practical projects and explain the code. This is going to be amazing because one of the hardest things about machine learning is understanding how the terminology works with practical concepts. One of the reasons that Mammoth Interactive has sold over 900,000 courses over the years is that we show people how to code in real time and build practical projects. A lot of other companies just simply copy and paste the code and kind of give you a haphazard explanation, but we show you how everything works from a completely blank document to a practical project. And this bundle of courses is going to have a ton of content that you need to succeed in 2020 and beyond. Because remember that learning to code is probably one of the best things you can do with your spare time. So help us make this Kickstarter reality by pledging today. And be sure to check out more rewards down below. We have a ton of amazing deals and offers for you from some of our previous Kickstarters. And if you want to license this course and many other courses to your education institution, we have those rewards down below. Thanks for watching, and we're here to make your machine learning and coding dreams a reality.